Good evening, VV Nation. Happy Friday. My name is Ryan. Always a pleasure. Now, tonight with the market pulling back, we have Jerome Powell's conference at 10 a.m. this morning. You know, I don't want to get ahead of the market. I want the market to come to us, let the dust settle. So tonight, I just wanted to take it back and revisit the top 5 VST stocks within the VectorVest 7 system. You might be holding these stocks, or if the market's pulling back, and when the market presents some opportunities in the near future, these are 5 stocks you might just want to have on your radar. So if you're trying to look for high quality stocks with a great combination of value, safety, and timing, look no further. Let's go ahead and jump in the VectorVest 7 system and take a look at these 5 stocks. All right, big event coming up. We got the Las Vegas 2-day investment seminar coming September 20th, 21st, 2025. You can achieve the VIP experience in person. Just go to vectorvest.com/Vegas to register now. All right, in the VectorVest 7 software, we're tracking over 9,700 stocks throughout the entire U.S. market. These are the top 5 rated stocks on overall value, safety, and timing, or a combination. We call it VST. The stocks coming in the list here: ppih, BK Technologies, Caledonia, Kinross Gold, Comfort Systems, Fix here. If I look over to the right and we take a look at the industries, we can see pretty diverse group here, but we do notice 2 stocks are hot right now, being in the gold and silver mining industry. And these stocks are phenomenal. If I go back over here to the left, now if we take a look at get a sense of value with these positions, currently trading at 27.95 ppih, we value it at 37. The stock is undervalued by our metrics. Not a price target, but just saying you're getting a good deal on this position. BK also undervalued. Caledonia undervalued. Kinross Gold undervalued. All 5 of these stocks are undervalued. So these are great value plays here. If we take a look at RV and RS, fundamental indicators, fundamentally pretty strong, right? All favorable ratings. These are on a 0 to 2 scale. Above 1 is favorable, below 1 is unfavorable. The further you get away from 1, it speaks to the magnitude of that favor, right? It's an oscillator. And that leads us to RT, relative timing. This is the technical indicator. See, these are undervalued stocks, strong fundamentals, and they're currently in an uptrend. Have buy recommendations. We got the sales growth rate and earnings growth rate, for the most part, double digits across the board here. And some of these stocks like Kinross Gold, 42% increase in sales. Expected sales growth rate, earnings growth rate, 37%. The highest in the batch is BK Technologies' earnings growth rate at 39%. So again, 5 great stocks you should have on your radar. No, I'm not saying go out buy them today with the market pulling back as well with Jerome Powell. We'll figure out what he has to say here in just a little bit. But these are definitely 5 stocks you should put on your watch list just in case the market shows some opportunities here in the near future. So let's go ahead and jump in the charts and see if the graphs are revealing any opportunities. All right, first up on the list, we got ppih. I've got a 20-day EMA along with a 40-day moving average of price. We got a sense of value here with the green line. Look, the value, the moving averages, all moving to the upside. Great forecasted data. And the stock just hit a new high. We're actually approaching that high once again here as of today. The high coming in at 28.25. So take out that high to get some confirmation if you're not already in this position. And this could actually run a little bit more. As I continue to scroll down the list, bkti take a little breather after this jump up here recently, but still well above the moving averages. The 20 just crossed above the 40 here, and I like the bump up in the valuation. Look, in addition to that, forecasted earnings per share just notched up to come in at 363 right now. So another great position showing an increase in valuation and earnings per share. Caledonia Mining Corp, nice lower left, upper right price action. Value doing the same thing. Moving averages in our favor. Let's not overthink it. This looks like a great stock, down day to day, so I'm not going to rush in to get into this position. And here's our other gold stock, Kinross Gold. Just hit a new high as of yesterday. Nice full body candlestick. Still trading within the body as of today. Value on the rise, price action on the rise. Forecasted data all on the rise. Great stock to have here. Growth rate and earnings coming at 37%, sales growth rate 42%. So again, great list of stocks to have on your radar. Now here's a trade setup. Fix, Comfort Systems. You can see the consolidation here, pretty range bound. Look for the breakout, right? You see we're retesting this 20-day EMA, giving me some optimism for the bulls. Confirmation, breaking out of the channel here. Now if we take a look at forecasted data, 28%, sales growth rate coming in at 20%. Earnings per share keeps ticking up to the upside, coming in at $22.01. So you can see exactly why I wanted these 5 stocks to have on your radar. These are the top 5 stocks within the VectorVest 7 system with an overall value, safety, and timing. Now, if you enjoyed tonight's presentation, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.